So this is the website that we created. So by the first glance, you already know that this is a website for world-class premium workspace. Their marketing team likes to shoot these awesome looking videos, and we decided that it would be best to put it here as the hero image instead of putting it in the YouTube channel they have. So from our research, we know that people most visit two pages, the locations and their services. So we redesigned the navigation bar to have it as the first two items. And unlike the user journey I introduced before, you can go straight to the city you want right from the landing page. And as a global website, you can always change the desired language or currency at the top left. Or you can search any image information here from the landing page. And after that, you can see the highlighted four main services: co-working space, virtual office, meeting rooms, and event space here. And you can always hover to see their introduction videos of different services. Then with your IP address, it will introduce the centers near you that looks awesome. And because they have many state-of-the-art highlights amenities, we want to showcase them here, like their Herman Miller Air Classic Chair, or their Magic Glass for meeting rooms, or Dolby conference phone, or dedicated staff, and etc. And there's their basic information here and what other CEO says about our service. And at all times, you can access this contact form here. And it's simplified down to 3 items that the client care for: your name, your phone, or email. And if you don't want to fill in any information, you can always call this phone number and the sales team will assist you and ask you these kind of basic information that our clients want. Now, Patrick and Janice will walk you through the user flows of this website.
So I will act as an executive center that I'm finding a co-working space for my team in Hong Kong. So that, for example, I would like to search for a co-working space in Hong Kong, so that I type in Hong Kong in this search bar. And then that will go directly to the city page. And it will show the centers nearby with filters co-working. And I can see directly a brief image of the centers providing this service. For example, when I look through, then I find it like here showing all the price and details and features here. And for this, I think I'm interested in the 2 Pacific Place, and I would like to have a quick feel of it. And in here, I can have more information about it, more price and more amenities in here, so that I can have more information about this center. And as I look through the interior photos, and I think it's very suitable for my team, so I want to look for more details. And in here, it will be showing the virtual tour that was hidden in the original website, so that they can actually directly go to the highlighted features here. And on below, it can have more interior photos, as we have done the research, and we know that the interviewees told us the most important things they want to see in a website is the photos for a co-working space. And in here, I can have more price details and the basic information of the center. And in here, I can have the specific highlighted amenities of this center. For example, the large member lounge, the dedicated staff, so that I can make a best decision for my team. And as I want to learn more about the co-working space, then I click here. And then I can filter it by type, scope, and duration. And I can find a plan, and it will suggest the most suitable plans for me. For example, the dedicated desk, and it will give me the price and the features of this plan. And I can directly book now here. Or not, I want to have a more comparison with different plans. I can look at this and compare it. After that, I think I feel really interested in this center, so that I want to book a tour to go to there and have more information. So then I input my personal information and then book a tour. And here ends the first user flow, and I will pass on to Patrick.
So thank you, Janice. In here, I will go to show you about how to book a meeting room in our new website. So firstly, we find the meeting room in the landing pages, and we could, in order to streamline our user journey, You just need to fill in this kind of details, customize the detail you want for booking a room in the hero session. And so after we filled in the informations, unlike the current TEC website, we just present the available rooms nearby for you, but not like we do not need to check the room availability anymore in this new TEC website. So there's some kinds of details which the interviewee suggested us to put in the cast of the meeting rooms. So for example, like the price details, of course, and the location details and some details, interior details of the rooms. And also when we scroll for more rooms, and we could have more details at the second section of our page. We could know more about the superiorities of our meeting rooms, and also it is listed in point form, and we could avoid problem of the test heavy, and also some different types of rooms, and also some FAQ for more in-depth point of view for our users, and also improve our website SEO. And so if we would like to book a room now, since we are the first time user to TEC website, we would also like to compare the difference between the rooms. Also, so we could compare it by choosing the two rooms and press the compare button, and we could have the model for the details of the comparison. Just some details about the TV size, the number of sockets, which suggested by our interviewees. So if we want to compare another room, we could choose in here and to choose another meeting room to compare. And if we are satisfied with this meeting room, we could just directly click the book now and proceed it to the checkout page.
As mentioned before, we would like to simplify the checkout process down to one page. So this is the best room that we chose just now. And this is all the information. And if you want to preprint any document or prepare some drinks for our clients before the meeting, you can click on add-ons, and then it will add to the sum total of your price. And then you can fill in some basic information and your credit card, and that's it. You can have your meeting room booked. So we've done the redesign of this website. We compared it with our closest competitors, The Great Room and WeWork. And it takes 3 to 5 clicks just to get an inquiry for our competitors. But for our redesigned website, it only requires 2 clicks from homepage to checkout. And as you can see, there are many exclusive features that we offer that our competitors don't. To sum up our project, we have learned a few things. As a UX student, we learned how to apply all what we learned from this UX course, how to do research, how to do user tests, how to restructure the website for easy navigation, and apply our UI skills to redesign the website with a wow factor. And also we learned how to communicate with clients and reach out to actual users who use this kind of high-end service, because we are not the users and we want to design with empathy to meet their needs. For the business perspective, we learned how to streamline the user journey to reduce conversion time. And because TEC hidden their great features in their current website, so we want to dig deep and then reflect their great services on the redesigned website, so the website matches their brand essence. By enhancing this user experience of the website, we would hope to reduce the bounce rate, and then our users can find what they're looking for and keep coming back, and ultimately raise their revenue. From our clients' feedback, they think that they agree for the pain points we found, and they appreciate how we tackle the problem, and they like the website very much. So if you like our work, we would like to connect with you. And here are LinkedIn profiles. You can scan the QR code and hope to connect with you soon. Thank you.